Hello, my name is Tiffany Price, and this is my annotated bibliography about students with disabilities and robotics, preparing technology and engineering literate students, and what do new technology and engineering teachers need to know. An introduction to our topic and our group. Our group chose to look at what research reveals about how technology is becoming a phenomenon in schools around the nation and what part it should play in the classroom. While we share some reasons for being interested in this topic, we also have our own reasons for looking into this topic. The following are those reasons. I am Tiffany Price, and I wanted to research this topic because I hope to inquire how technology can be used to enhance children's learning experience in the classroom and how much they should be used to further students' learning. I think the use of technology will be important in my future as a teacher because our society is constantly evolving into one that uses technology to strengthen and embellish techniques that teachers use in schools. And now we transition into sharing our findings. We will each describe the findings of our research that captured our attention by briefly sharing what is contained in our annotated bibliographies. This is my first article titled Students with Disabilities and Robotics. A quote from the article states, Congress, through ESSA, is providing funds to states and districts that can be earmarked to increase participation in informal learning environments for underrepresented students. And here are my findings. Congress, through ESSA, is providing funds to states and districts that can be used to increase participation in learning environments for underrepresented students. Students with behavior disorders need to know that you care. One way this can be done is to create a nurturing environment, make building relationships a priority. These students often need programs where they feel included, like they are part of a team. An organization that has a culture of inclusion for underrepresented students is FIRST Robotics. FIRST stands for Inspiration and Recognition of Science and Technology. FIRST offers 4 different programs to K through 12 students involving more than 500,000 students. Further, FIRST is more than building robots. It is about building self-esteem and confidence in students with disabilities. Students work as a team to design, build, program, and compete with robots. They also solve real-world problems, build web pages, create and edit promotional videos, create business plans, and perform community service. Students are more likely to find jobs upon graduation when they have been involved in groups like FIRST than in sports or the arts. My second article is about preparing technology and engineering literate students. A quote from that article says, Leaders must ensure that their technology and engineering courses are being fully utilized to produce technology and engineering literate citizens who will help the U.S. meet the challenges in an ever-changing technological and engineering dependent society. And here are my findings. In order to understand and meet future challenges, it is vital that the United States produce technology and engineering literate citizens. Technology and engineering programs offer students the science, technology, and engineering and mathematics needed to be successful in education and occupations. NAEP, also known as the Nation's Report Card, is the nation's largest assessment of what America's students know and what they can do. The NAEP Technology and Engineering Literacy Assessment measures whether students are able to apply technology and engineering skills to real-life situations. In 2014, NAEP assessed the technology and engineering literacy of over 21,000 eighth graders in U.S. public and private schools. When responding to the assessment questions, students are expected to demonstrate their knowledge of technology and engineering. Students are to demonstrate 3 different kinds of practice: understanding technological principles, developing solutions and achieving goals, and communicating and collaborating. Technology and engineering students practice more hands-on, real-world technology and engineering activities in their classrooms than do students in science classrooms. Technology and engineering students brainstorm designs, build models to solve problems, and design with limited time and resources. My third and final article is titled, What Do New Technology and Engineering Teachers Need to Know? A quote from that article says, Without strategies to successfully transition into a teaching career, too many new hires quit the field in their first or second year. And here are my findings. Teachers transition into the real world of teaching through 3 stages: survival, mastery, and impact. Without strategies to successfully transition into a teaching career, too many new hires quit the field in their first or second year. Technology and engineering teachers are in demand. In Maryland, the need for technology and engineering teachers surpasses the number of graduates from the University of Maryland. Strategies to recruit teachers into technology and engineering programs include raising awareness that these programs exist with students and parents and encouraging students to participate in conferences. Some school districts have a program in place to support new teachers. This system uses a formal mentor system. These mentor skills improve the effectiveness of technology and engineering teachers. Teachers have access to an infinite amount of resources and websites through different professional development to help with classroom, laboratory, and safety in the classroom. For new technology and engineering teachers to be successful and stay in the teaching field, they need support. Following these guidelines, new teachers can transition from the survival stage of teaching into the mastery and impact stages of teaching. And here are my sources for my 3 articles. And in summary, we each learned quite a bit from researching our topic. For example, I, Tiffany Price, learned that the students with disabilities learn many things by being a part of FIRST Robotics. The students who used this program saw an increase of self-esteem and confidence. The use of this technology was instrumental with helping the students learn to be a part of a community and find jobs after graduation. Technology and engineering programs offer students the science, technology, engineering, and mathematics needed to be successful in school and future jobs. Studies show these students did better in using hands-on, real-life activities than the students who didn't use the technology programs. Lastly, teachers transition into the real world of teaching through 3 stages: survival, mastery, and impact. Technology and engineering teachers are in demand and could be beneficial for students. If these teachers are given the right tools and knowledge, they can implement them to improve classroom management and safety. I think reading about these articles will help me to be a better teacher because there can never be enough practice or enough information. There is always room for better teaching techniques that can be implemented using technology. By using programs like FIRST Robotics or engineering, which uses more of a hands-on approach, we as teachers can help these students be all that they can be in a fast-moving, technological-based society. Thank you.